Hello everyone, Bon Marie here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So let's make a birthday card, and this is a really simple birthday card. I'm using that large happy. I'm not using this die after all, but I am using these fabulous Paris quick card fronts, A2 size, and you get so many of these gorgeous Paris card fronts, and I just loved looking at them. They would be really pretty to frame. I might frame one and put one in my craft room. I'm thinking about it. And then you get these sentiments. So I was really surprised because I didn't read all the details of what was included. And when I seen the sentiments, I was like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. And so they really are quick. So I am going to be ink blending the edges of this quick card front, and I wanted a vintage feel. I think it would even be pretty if you use like that bluish purple color in there. So sorry, I'm a little bit heavy-handed with my Whimsy blending brush that I'm excited to have. Um, so I am just inking around the edges really quick, and then I will be die cutting. So I'm going to be die cutting a rectangle from this, and I'm trying to see what it would look like if I just use the A2 as is, which is really pretty as well, but I'm going to use that stitched rectangle die, and this is from the Mix and Match Scallop rectangle dies, and those are my favorite. And so I cut that out, and then I was sad that I still had that negative piece and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I do end up using it. And then I inked around this rectangle since the other one was inked, the negative piece. And then I'm using this holographic paper, and I'm going to die cut with the scalloped rectangle die, and I just love the stitching on that it leaves on this paper. It's really pretty, and I'm going to be layering those two together. So I thought that was a nice color combo. It would look nice layering it on even that on pink, or just even that bluish purple. I really love that color. Um, so that is what I'm thinking for my design. And I'm going to use one of these sentiments here with the large happy. And so I'm just not going to use the happy on that sentiment strip since I already have it. Although you always can put it to happy, happy birthday wishes is really fun. And so I cut out that happy. I did cut it out of the holographic paper, and I wasn't sure which direction I was going in, but I decided I was going to ink blend it with the vintage photo to match. And then I will be layering the other three that I have up there. Actually, I think I used that holographic, so it is let me see, one, two, three, I think it's like four of those happies, which was easy to do. I just used some scrap paper, so. And then I will glue those together. And I'm gonna put that happy in like a wonky way because I want that Eiffel Tower to show. And then I'm using a sheet of pink foam, and I will glue that to the back of that card front there. And just trying to measure and make it a tiny bit smaller, and so then I can glue it to the back. And I love that it'll be a little popped up without being too bulky. And next I will be gluing everything, and this is an A2 card, so 4 4.5 by 5.25, or 4.25 by 5.5, excuse me. And then I will glue them to my pink A2 card base. And I love using colored cardstock for my card bases. I think it's fun. I do love my white, but every once in a while I like colored. And then I'm just going to cut my sentiment. I end up using 2 of the sentiments here. I will be decorating the inside of my card, so yay. I don't do that too often, but for this card it was necessary. And do you decorate the inside of your card? I'd love to hear. It doesn't really take too much time, so just add a little extra something. I used to stamp an image. If I used an image, I would stamp it on the inside, and I quit doing that, and I think I need to go back to doing that because it's just exciting when you see the inside as well, just as exciting as you see the outside. So I'm going to glue that happy, and I'm going to put it in a little bit of a wonky way. And I believe I will put a stamp block to hold it down. And so I had a lot of fun using these quick card fronts, and so I will be ordering some more because some other styles that are really great that are on my wish list of the Whimsy stamps. And so I will grab some more of those because this card was really pretty and fun, and I can't wait to make some more. And so I made a banner with that, a fishtail banner, using my scissors just to place on the bottom there. And so I think it looks really pretty. And here's the inside. So I use that negative piece, so yay. And then I do put an inside sentiment. And my tweezers will hold it. And next I will be adding some, I have a love and hate relationship with my tweezers at the moment. And then I'm going to add some sequins from This Calls for Confetti, and I'm using the Mermazing, I believe, and all these colors are really pretty, and Whimsy Stamps has some of these on their website. So I am going to be adding I believe I add 3 sequins. I usually try and add in odds, so if it's not 3, then it's 5. And I think I gave up on my tweezers, so I am just using my hands here. And so I hope you liked my card and the inside. I was excited to decorate the inside, so I hope you give it a try and grab some of these quick card fronts. I know you'll love them as much as I do. And so thank you for joining me today. Here's a close-up, and have a wonderful day.